Kiss me dangerous.
High volume.
I'm so lost without you all around me. Get dangerous.
Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Carmen Alexis here, and today I have a very special video. Dun, da, da, da. We have our very first partnership of 2023. Very excited about that, and with a company that I have been very excited to try out. I've been eyeing them for a while. We are officially partners with Good American. Yes, they reached out to me and asked that I choose 2 pieces from their collection and show you guys my GA style. That's Good American style. So I'm super excited. I love fashion, I love styling pieces. But before we get into how I style it and do the TikTok reel as the official TikTok ambassador, I thought it'd be very cool to do an unboxing and a try on with you guys. I got the package right here, and we're gonna get into some stuff. You know what I'm saying? I've always heard very good things about Good American in terms of them being, you know, a brand that's been about body inclusivity from the very beginning, body positiveness. I love that. As a 5'9" Black woman with curves, we definitely identify with that, and I just love that it's a clothing line that really reflects real life. I mean, it's 2023. We have no time for these marginalized views of what beauty is, or what confident, or what sexy and attractive looks like. Let's have something for everyone, because everyone has their own style. Everyone deserves to feel good and look good in clothes and in their own skin. Alright you guys, but before we get into the video, before we get into the fun stuff, if you haven't already, I want you to stop what you're doing. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications on so that you don't miss another drop. Y'all know the drill. If you are a gang member already, your girl drops new vlogs every Sunday. Yes, that is right. Every Sunday on YouTube. Consider that Carmen Alexis Day. On my channel, we're dropping new videos of exclusive, bomb, cool, dope, inspiring, motivational, and like captivating content all 2023. I am so excited. I love fashion. If you follow me on Instagram at Carmen Alexis, you know it ain't nothing like wearing a bomb outfit and feeling like that girl. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like with this Good American package that we just got, I'm about to feel like that girl. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright you guys, here we go. So this is the packaging. It's heavy. You guys hear that? It's heavy. Alright, so let's get this open with my handy dandy scissors. Ooh, wait a minute. Okay, I'm just looking at it from the outside, you know, from the bag, but the color is giving of the jeans already. Like, the color is definitely giving. And I haven't even opened it. Like, are these gonna be my new favorite jeans, you guys? So we went with some blue jeans, and then we went with a black bodysuit for the top. Let's start off with the jeans first. And these are good leg skinny jeans in a long size 4. Color is dark blue. Let's open it up. Like Christmas. Ooh, the material feels nice. It feels nice, you guys. Good quality material. These are the Good American Good Legs Long High-Rise Skinny Hip and Leg Sculpting 35-inch inseam. It's a size 4, which is a 27. I'm liking it already because it's a very classic, understated look. You know what I mean? Not too busy with the pockets. It does seem to have stretch. Can you see that? I'm pulling it now. So they're stretchy, so I feel like they're definitely gonna fit over, you know what I'm saying, the curves and the hips and the waist pretty well. It also says looking good and doing good. We are Good American. Okay, I like it. You know what I'm saying? The confidence in there. 98.5% organic cotton with 1.5% elastane. Like, it's such a pretty color. Like, it's like a classic blue, I feel like. So now let's move on to the top. Okay, So this is the front, you guys. This is the bodysuit here. As you can see, it clamps there. They do have the hygiene liner, which is nice. That's reassuring. It snaps here at the end of it, so that seems like easy take on and take off. Not mad about that. It is a turtleneck. Oh, it also has like a little bit of like a ruffled cinch right here at the inseam, which kind of gives it just a little bit of flair, you know? I felt like you can't really go wrong with a classic black top and blue jeans. You know what I mean? Like, classic never goes out of style, so that's what we was going for. The material is definitely stretchy. It feels nice. I hope it fits, because I have long arms, you guys. I'm 5'9". I have long arms, long legs, like, everything is long. Got this bodysuit in a medium, which I guess to them is a 2. Yeah, it does have some stretch in here. So if you're wondering about whether it'll fit over this, because you know, we got a little something going on with the girls, I feel like it'll work. All right, you guys, we have finished the unboxing. So stay tuned because your girl is going to go try these on and I'm going to give you guys a real live in-time review of how these pieces make me feel. Let's see what Good American is all about. All right, you guys, it is official. I have tried on the Good American pieces. And let me just start this off by saying, oh yeah, I'm hooked. I'm a Good American girl. Like, I'm a Good Squad member. Consider me a member of the Good Squad because the way this feels, oh my God. I feel like I literally just found my new favorite pair of jeans. I kid you not, I would not BS you guys. So let's talk a little bit about how the try on was, right? I started with the top first because once again, this is a bodysuit at the bottom. My only complaint about the bodysuit was that around the turtleneck area, it's very snug and I actually have a big head. That's cool, you know, shout out to all my big head women. But anyway, so it was a little snug and I was concerned that my head would not fit in there. However, it did. And then once we got it on there, my next concern was like, will it cover the length of my arm? Length check, yeah, we doing it. We doing it. And it literally, I can pull it even more. You see what I mean? Love that. This is definitely tall girl friendly because that is such a difficulty when you're tall to even find like a jacket or a shirt, like a long sleeve shirt that really fits all the way down. All my tall girlies and all my curved girlies, run to Good American and do yourself a favor, sis. Okay, because they got you covered. It's giving 90s supermodel. Classy, elegant, she's chic. You don't have to do too much, but she's the statement piece. Good choice, good choice. Now, the try on for the jeans was a little typical. Once again, like I said, I do work out. Shout out to Team Fitness. So my calf muscles are a little bit probably more muscular than the average woman, which is cool because, you know, strong is beautiful. So I did have to pull and like kind of wiggle the pants legs over my calf muscle a bit on both sides. What I can say though, as I was doing it, I did have a lot of the scrunched material still at the bottom, which lets you know that you still have length to cover the leg. As we got it past the calf muscles, we start to pull it up. I'm like, wait a minute, hold on. The length check is official. It comes up, you guys. These are high-waisted. Love that about them, you know what I mean? Because you can get it at the right area on your waist to where it kind of just cinches you in. You definitely feel like you're tucked and you're snatched. It feels good on the hips. It feels good on the thighs. And guess what? I still have some room scrunched with the jean material at the bottom of my legs. I love the color. It just feels nice, you guys. Like, I find myself rubbing it a lot. It's soft material. You know, it's like these jeans are loving me, so I'm loving it right back. Shout out to Good American. Shout out to Good American. Love it. End of story. All right, you guys, so that is the end of the try on and unboxing with Good American. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you guys want to go shop at Good American, I'm going to have a link in the description box. Make sure you check that out so that you can go straight to the website and you might just get a little something extra off your purchase. I gotta say, I am a happy and proud member of the Good Squad. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications on so that you don't miss another drop, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.